Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and on this channel I make tech and gadget reviews. If you're new here, consider subscribing for all the latest product reviews, tips, and tutorials. And at any time during this video, check out the description for links to all the gadgets mentioned here. So, because of the majority of us are locked in our homes because of COVID-19, we're increasingly using services like Microsoft Teams, Skype, or Zoom for our jobs or to communicate with our loved ones. In this video, we are going to look at 4 inexpensive microphones that will allow us to be heard. So the question is, can you hear me now?
Be strong.
What's inside the box? Inside the box you see the Boya microphone itself. You also see a foam windscreen. You see a clothing clip, a hook and loop. And you also, inside, you will notice that there's a battery, the L44 battery, the carrying case, and the manual. The Soundcore Life P2 Wireless earbud set. What's in the box? Well, you have the Soundcore P2 Wireless earbuds themselves. You have the compact charging case. You also have some extra earbud tips and a USB-C cable. This is what comes inside the box. And we have the CyberAcoustic 3.5 headphone with microphone. So what comes in the box with the ULTIMAX condenser shotgun microphone? Well, you have the foam windscreen. You also have the adjustable mounting bracket. You have a battery, and then you have the manual, and then finally you have the condenser microphone itself. And the Tech Man, welcome to the microphone test for the Boya B1 M1 microphone. Bertrand the Tech Man, welcome to the sound test for the CyberAcousticS headset microphone. Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome to the sound test for the Anker Soundcore P2 Wireless earbuds. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome to the sound test for the ULTIMAX shotgun condenser mini mic. And the verdict is, either one of these microphones will be better than your onboard computer mic. The best one may be the Boya M1. It delivers the clearest voice sound in my opinion. But if you want to hear well and sound good, go for the CyberAcousticS. If you want no wires, then go for the shotgun condenser mic. Now, if you want no wires and to hear, get the Anker Soundcore P2 Wireless earbuds. So, as you can tell, it really depends upon what is your priority. If your priority is sound or mobility, then you make the choice. So, if you found value in this quick video, please hit the like button or subscribe and come back and check out my next product review. If you want one of these products, please check out my links in the description below. I am Bertrand the Tech Man. See you next time. And always remember, before you buy anything, check it out.
Be strong.